Welcome to Practice Your Mind, where thinking fast meets having fun. Each question gives you 10 seconds to prove how quick and clever you are. Can you beat the clock and get them all right? Let's find out together. Your challenge starts now. Great job. Gold is represented by O. Ready? Let's move to question 2. Which element has the atomic number 8? Awesome. The element with atomic number 8 is oxygen. Let's keep going. Question 3. Which group on the periodic table contains the noble gases? Nice work. Noble gases belong to group 18. Moving on. Question 4. What element is represented by the symbol K? Correct. The symbol K stands for potassium. Ready? Question 5. Which element is a liquid at room temperature? Great answer. Most elements are solid, but mercury and bromine aren't. Speaking of solids, which element is most abundant in the Earth's crust? Well done. Oxygen is the most abundant in Earth's crust. Up next, question 7. What is the lightest element in the periodic table? Correct. Hydrogen is the lightest element. Let's move on to question 8. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Nice. Fluorine has the highest electronegativity. Next up, question 9. Which of these is a transition metal? Great. Iron is a transition metal. Ready for more? Question 10. What is the main element in diamond? Excellent. Diamonds are made of carbon. Let's continue with question 11. What element has the symbol Fe? Correct. Fe is iron. Moving on. Question 12. Which element is a halogen? Nice work. Chlorine is a halogen. Get ready for question 13. What is the lightest noble gas? Great job. Helium is the lightest noble gas. Up next, question 14. Which element has atomic number 1? Correct. Atomic number 1 is hydrogen. Let's continue to question 15. What element has the symbol Na? Right. Na stands for sodium. Next question, question 16. Which element is a metalloid? Nice choice. Boron is a metalloid. Moving on to question 17. Which element is a liquid metal at room temperature? Correct. Mercury is liquid at room temp. Let's proceed to question 18. What element has the symbol Ag? Great job. Ag is silver. Ready? Question 19. Which element has the highest melting point? Exactly. Tungsten has the highest melting point. Let's move to question 20. Which element is essential for bones? Nice. Calcium is essential for bones. Up next, question 21. Which element has the symbol Mg? Correct. Mg is magnesium. Get ready for question 22. Which noble gas is used in neon signs? Great. Lithium is used in batteries. Now on to question 24. What element has the symbol Pb? Great. Lithium is used in batteries. Now on to question 24. What element has the symbol Pb? Correct. Pb means lead. Moving on. Question 25. Which element is essential for hemoglobin? Exactly. Iron is vital for hemoglobin. Next up, question 26. What is the lightest alkali metal? Well done. Lithium is the lightest alkali metal. Continue to question 27. What element has the symbol Cu? Correct. Cu is copper. Let's jump to question 28. Which element is a radioactive gas? Nice. Radon is a radioactive gas. Moving on, question 29. what element has the symbol Zn? Exactly. Zn stands for zinc. Ready? Question 30. Which element has the highest atomic number naturally occurring? Correct. Uranium holds that record. Let's go to question 31. What is the main component of chalk? Great. Chalk is calcium carbonate. On to question 32. Which element is used in incandescent light bulbs? Right. Tungsten is used in bulbs. Next up, question 33. Which halogen is used in disinfectants? Correct. Chlorine is used in disinfectants. Moving on, question 34. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Exactly. Hydrogen is the most abundant. Let's continue with question 35. What element has the symbol C? Nice. C stands for silicon. Onward to question 36. Which element is in table salt? Great answer. Salt contains sodium and chlorine. Let's go to question 37. Which element is liquid at room temperature? Correct. Only mercury and bromine flow at room temp. Ready? Question 38. Which metalloid is used in semiconductors? Exactly. Silicon is key in semiconductors. On to question 39. What element has the symbol Na? Perfect. Na means neon. Amazing job completing all 50 questions. Correct. Iron helps make steel. Next up, question 41. What element has the symbol Cl? Right. Cl is chlorine. Moving on to question 42. Which element is used in fireworks for red color? Great. Strontium creates that red color. Let's continue with question 43. Which noble gas is used in lasers? Correct. Argon is inert and useful in lasers. Up next, question 44. What element has the symbol K? Exactly. K means potassium. Let's go to question 45. Which element is used in pencil lead? Correct. Pencil lead is actually graphite, which is carbon. Next, question 46. What element has the symbol Al? Nice. Al is aluminum. Moving to question 47. Which element is used in batteries besides lithium? Exactly. Zinc, copper, and lead all help store energy. Next question, 48. What element has the symbol Hg? Correct. Hg stands for mercury. Moving on, question 49. Which element is essential for thyroid function? Great. Iodine supports thyroid health. Final question, 50. What element has the symbol Na? Perfect. Na means neon. Amazing job completing all 50 questions. Thanks for watching, Practice Your Mind fam. If you enjoyed today's quiz, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow for more fun and brain-boosting videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.